Danvers is Supergirl.
You are not a killer.
Yeah, Cara, maybe you don't know what I am. You haven't been around. Supergirl's been there for me. Person who judges me on the very premise of my last name, but my best friend hasn't.
To realize what we used to have, we don't have it anymore. There's no religion that could save me. No matter how long my knees are on the floor. Oh, so keep in mind all the sacrifices I'm making. To keep you
Maybe it's better
by
if I just
keep you from walking out the door. 'Cause there'll be no sunlight if I lose you, baby. There'll be no clear skies if I lose you, baby. Just like the clouds, my eyes will do the same if you walk away. Every day it'll rain.
No way I could ever trust anyone ever again if it wasn't for your friendship and your integrity.
The joke's on you. It's always been on you.
I'll never be your mother's favorite. Your daddy
What are you doing here?
Funny, I could ask you the same question. I believed him.
If I was in that shoes,
Him and he betrayed me.
same thing.
And I'm sick, and I will never forgive myself for that.
Walking with that troublesome guy, but they're just a fight of something
Not
they can't
weak.
understand.
For you, that's why I'm doing this.
Kind-hearted, beautiful soul.
Cara, I promise you, you are safer with me, all right? I got you. The Luther name doesn't deserve Lena. I'm just trying in my own small way to be more like Supergirl. Friends. Those were friends before. I'm worried about Lena. Well, hey, I miss you.
I'm so sorry you felt like you couldn't tell me.
I'm sorry. I'm smart. Cunning. Strategic, I think, steps ahead of most people. You're with me, right? Always. Good. I was gonna tell you. Tell me what? I have to tell her the truth. I can't keep it from her anymore. For the past few months, she's been betrayed by Lex, by Eve. So if she found out after all this time I was lying, I couldn't bear to put her through that again. You know, you're terrible at hiding things from me.